Hi guys, welcome back to another video. We're gonna be unboxing a Itzy album that my brother got. It came in pretty late actually, but anyway, it's finally here, as it says right there. And I'm just gonna open it up real quick, and yeah, it's actually very secured properly as it should be because it's a album. But yeah, I'm gonna try to take it out the bubble wrap because it has like 2 layers I think. And yeah, so my brother got this from the Sub K shop, and I guess this is a sticker for the shop. Yep, so there's that. It's very cute. And so yeah, we got Ryujin. It's very so cute, not shy. Okay, and then oh, okay, hold on. You're struggling with this. Okay. Wow. Okay, so I think these are the tattoos. Yeah, I think so, yeah. That's so cute. By Ryujin. Cute. Wait, there you go. And then, okay. Oh, okay. Here we go. So first one is Yuna. Then is Chelia. I don't know how to say her name. I be struggling. Ryujin. Leah. And then we got Itzy. Whoa. That's so cute. Okay. There we go. That's pretty cool. I like that. Put it like that. And then here's the album. I like this. Okay. So this is the poster, I think. Okay, and here is like the songs. Okay. And then Leah. And Chaeyoung. Oh. Here's the actual CD. So yeah, and that's it. That's all of the whole album. Alright guys, see you next time. Like, subscribe, and comment, and let me know who your bias is if you have one. And yeah.